Welcome. This is a short morning practice to energize the body and prepare for the day. Come into any seated posture. Sit up with a tall spine, grounding through the sit bones. Let the right ear come towards the right shoulder. Breathing into the stretch that you feel on the left side of the neck. Coming through to center, release the left ear towards the left shoulder, maybe reaching the fingers out to the sides to go a little bit deeper into the stretch. Feel into the side of the neck where you feel the stretch, taking the awareness of the breath there. And come to center. We'll begin to make gentle circles with the spine. Think about moving from the pelvis, and then allow the mid-back, the upper back, shoulders, head to follow after. Less control in this movement, just feeling in the body and allowing the body to move. And beginning to take the circles in the other direction. Moving from the pelvis and then letting that movement extend out into the whole rest of the spine, shoulders, neck, and head. And gradually come to center. As you inhale, chin lifts up, and exhale. Chin to the chest, lean back, holding on to the knees. Reach your right fingers out to the side, and then reach the left hand up overhead. And take it onto the other side. Moving through these side bends mindfully, grounding the sit bones, and reaching through the fingertips. Feel the stretch from the waist, the side, the rib cage, the shoulders. And back to center. With your peace fingers holding on to the big toes, begin to lift the feet off the floor and balance on the sit bones. You can stay here with bent knees. You want to maintain a long spine, and if you have the space, you can gently begin to straighten the legs, pressing the heels out away. Boat pose. Bent knees, straight legs, you support. And then we lower down to low boat. Low back pressing onto the floor. Engage the core. And then come back up into high boat. Cross the feet and hop step into downward facing dog. Spread the fingers. Bend the knees, look between the palms, hop or step forward. Inhale up halfway and exhale, fold in. Inhale, lengthen up halfway. Exhale, fold. Grounding into the feet, inhale, come up to stand, reach the palms up, and exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, take a little back bend, reach the arms over the head. Exhale, forward fold, palms on either sides of the feet. Stepping the right foot back with an inhale, right knee to the floor. And then left leg steps back, plank. Knees, chest, chin as you exhale. Inhaling to cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee to the floor. Lift the chest. Exhale, left leg forward, forward fold. Inhale, press into the feet and take a little back bend. Exhale, straight into a forward fold. Inhale, left leg back, knee to the floor. Exhale, right leg back. Lower down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Ground through the hands, ground through the feet. Creating length in the spine. We take 3 breaths here. Inhale, left leg steps forward. And exhale, right leg forward, forward fold. Inhale, lift up, bend back. Exhale, palms to heart center. And release the hands to the side. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, head to the knees. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold, palms on either sides of the feet. Hop or step back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, down dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up. And then bring the knee next to the right hand, setting ourselves up for pigeon pose. As you inhale, lift the chest, let the hips ground. As you exhale, lower belly, chest, and then the head to the floor. Keep moving this way with the breath. And on your next exhale, we're going to stay in a forward fold. You can support yourselves on the hands, the forearms, or reach the arms out overhead. Gently pressing yourself back up. Tuck your back toes and walk the right leg back. Inhale, lift it up, stretch. Inhaling into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts up and back. And as you exhale, bring the left knee toward the left hand. Finding pigeon on the second side and beginning to move with the breath. Inhale, lifting the chest, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, let the belly, chest, and then the head come down. Move a few times like this with the breath. Use the breath to open and soften the body. And then we stay here. Support yourself on the forearms or walk your hands forward. More long spine here. Right hip grounding towards the floor. Belly softens towards the floor. Gently pressing yourself back up. Left leg lifts and lower. Inhale into plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, down dog. Pause here for 3 breaths. And then bring the knees to the floor, let the big toes touch. Send the hips back and let the belly, chest, head rest on the floor. Thank you.